Darling, you send me.
Oh, me and Francis, I'm going to DQ because we're
Because it's hot.
Yeah, and we want a blizzard. We're in a blizzard.
I'm excited.
I am too because I've been craving it, and I
haven't been to DQ in a long time.
I've never been to DQ.
You've never been?
No,
Oh, for food.
For food. So we're doing a blizzard mukbang.
Thank you. Aw, dang.
It's there forever.
I have pillows in my back seat. You like it?
Yeah, we know. What the heck? Is this a couch?
Well, it's so like people who sit in the back are comfortable.
And one sleep with a pillow.
The second, and I thought it was like a.
What did it fall?
Oh, it almost fell.
Yeah. Oh. Yours have more chocolate than mine. Oh, hers, really mine. It's good. So she's going with her knee because she loves the blizzard and this one is so good. Look at that knee go! I am going to the driving range. I've been wanting to go for a while, but like things keep popping up and like sometimes I feel like lazy and it's because it's like super hot outside. But I mean it's hot outside but not like scorching hot, so, and it's early in the morning still like 10, 11. So. Well, not that early. So I'm done at the golfing range. I'm still here, but I'm looking in my car. I just left. I didn't even get to finish my balls because it's so hot. Like I was about to pass out. Like when the guy Chuck, the instructor, came up to me and like was giving some pointers and stuff like that. Then I started like I was about to faint. Like I was getting super lightheaded and I was about to faint. So yeah, I'm so tired. It's super hot outside. Like I was about to die. But yeah, good experience. This is my lunch. It looks like breakfast, but it's lunch. With some Gordon Ramsay scrambled eggs style, you know, avocado, and I'm watching The Flash. So it's 12:25. And we're at Walmart.
We have my house.
We at Hannah's house. It's almost 4. Still going. Welcome back to the channel. It's Saturday. I'm so sore, like my top body sore because I was playing golf. Well, it's so freaking late. Hold on, did I say good morning? Because it's literally 5 p.m. Just making some coffee because you know afternoon coffees are the best. It's Monday. I'm like exhausted, but I'm playing Call of Duty because I'm bored. And I finished all the episodes, so like the show that I was watching, like the new seasons, I finished it all already, so like I really have nothing to do. So yeah, I have caved in Fortnite. I don't know how to play this, but I'm gonna try. I've been downloading this for like the longest time, but I was watching the Archie comics. Archie's Weird Mysteries is basically like a cartoon version of Riverdale.
If there's no adults to solve this problem,
it's so cool. Ooh, welcome back to the vlog. This car stinks. Ew. Let me go get my hair cut. I'm going to a place where I don't usually get my hair cut at. I mean, I've been there a few times, but this was when I was like little, so. I'm back home. The haircut, it is shorter. She cut it super shorter than I wanted to. Just wanted like a small little trim, but she did an okay job. Like it's not like the best. Like I like my other salon better because oh my gosh, my car would not start. I don't know what happened to the engine, but good thing I got it to start. I was kind of scared because this never happened to me before. So, and I don't know who to call because no one's home but me. And so yeah, and my parents are at work and their work is like far away. So, oh frick, come on, focus. Jess is here. We're about to go to Asheville game. Hopefully we win, because we lost last night.
We've been losing for the past forever.
No, just 3 games.
University.
So we're off
onto Highway 6 South.
to the Asheville game. It's super hot outside.
It's super hot outside.
But we're leaving super early because, you know, it's far. And parking is expensive, so like we have to, I think it's free parking after 6, so I'm gonna try to go as slow as we can. I'm joking. Can we get there fast?
It's 101 degrees.
Continue on Highway 6 South for 1 mile.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Go Astros! There it is. Minute Park. So we're finally going to parking, but it's so far, so we're walking now.
And it was really awkward.
Yeah, gross. We're here. Yay! We're gonna get some dollar dog.
It's hot. My forehead is beaming
It's
from
extra
sweat.
hot. It's extra hot. Yes. Very far up, but the view is good. Like I like having like the whole view, so I can see everything that happens.
We might move.
Yeah, we might move down when like everyone is settled in maybe like in the 2nd inning or the 3rd inning. We don't know.
Yeah, we'll probably move down.
Yeah.
When that guy's not
Yeah.
watching, because he moved us from that side to
Yep.
this side. I think it's so funny that they stretch.
Look, I can get up there. I know, right? So still 0-0. I bought this for $5, and now I'm broke. I'm joking, I'm not broke, but this is expensive. As you know, that was won.
Oh yeah!
Such a good game.
It was a great game.
It was so fun. It's much better watching it there.
It was just really quiet because there's no like
Commentators,
haters.
but it was, oh, it's so good. Like, I don't think it's the parking is far, and the food was expensive.
Yeah,
Yeah,
super.
yeah, that's it. But yeah,
I don't know how to get out of here.
yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog right now, or not.
Maybe.
I have no idea. So I have no idea. Okay, I'll just end it here, and if it ends here, then like and subscribe. Bye. Welcome back to the vlog. My friends are here.
What do you want? You go on top of the car.
I'm ending the
I
vlog.
did. Oh, what do you
Why?
I'm done.
Okay,
There we go.
make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to hit the bell notification so you're notified every time she uploads. Good luck, Charlie.
Do 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 do.